Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Pilot versus Passport. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Pilot offers more seating and overall space, ideal for larger families. Meanwhile, the Passport provides a more compact, adventurous package. Both deliver reliable Honda performance, but their distinct designs cater to different priorities. Let's dive into the specifics. When it comes to size, the Pilot is noticeably larger, extending about 10 to 11 inches longer than the Passport. This extra length directly translates to more interior room, especially with its third row. The Pilot boasts up to 158.4 cubic feet of passenger volume, comfortably seating 7 or 8. In contrast, the Passport, a two-row SUV, offers 114.9 cubic feet for 5 occupants. Under the hood, both SUVs share a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine. When properly equipped, both the Pilot and Passport can tow an impressive 5,000 pounds. A key difference lies in their drivetrains. The Passport comes standard with all-wheel drive, while the Pilot offers both two-wheel and all-wheel drive options. For those seeking adventure, the Passport typically provides more ground clearance, making it a slightly more capable off-road choice. Regarding fuel economy, the Pilot's two-wheel drive configurations can reach up to 22 mpg combined, while the all-wheel drive Passport typically achieves 21 mpg combined. Feature-wise, the Passport often includes more standard amenities, such as an 8-inch infotainment screen. The Pilot, being larger, focuses on maximizing passenger comfort and cargo space. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize seating capacity and overall size, or a more agile, adventure-ready two-row SUV. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.